In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dripify. So Dripify is an advanced LinkedIn automation tool designed to help users generate leads, automate outreach, and manage campaigns efficiently. So in order to start using it, you'll need to go to the official website of Dripify. So make sure it's dripify.io. So click on that. And then in here, we'll need to sign up for an account. So click this login and then sign up. So you can connect it with your Google or sign up manually. But in this case, we're going to sign up with my Google account. So choose a Google account of yours. We're going to choose this. Click continue. And then wait for it to load up. And then in here, you'll need to connect it with your LinkedIn account. So put that up. We'll try to refresh it. So yeah, so we're going to enter our LinkedIn email in here. So for example is .com. Then for the LinkedIn password, I don't remember my password. So let's assume that we are successfully signed in here in Dripify. So once you are signing in here, you can now set up basic settings like time zone and campaign limits to avoid LinkedIn restrictions. And then, so let's try to head over to LinkedIn account, linkedin.com. So basically, this is my LinkedIn account. So yeah, let's assume that we have an access here in Dripify. So in here, you will see there a create campaign in the dashboard. Click on that, and then choose your campaign type. It could be connect and message, so meaning to say send connection requests and follow-up messages. And then you can also choose a profile visit, if meaning if visit profiles to get noticed. And then the last type is the endorse and engage, meaning endorse skills and engage with posts. And then after that, select your target audience by uploading a CSV file or importing LinkedIn searches. So you can also customize your outreach sequence. So you can also build an automated message flow. For example, a message. So just simply connection request, follow up message or response. And then you can also build a personalized message with LinkedIn variables like first name, job title, company name, etc. And then set delays between actions to make it look natural, and then launch and monitor your campaign. So you'll need to click start to launch your campaign and then use the Dripify Analytics dashboard to track the sent requests, accept dance rates and reply rates, and overall performance. And that's it. That's how to use Dripify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.